Hi, I'm Graham from Boatshed, Bourgogne. This is a DAF 1160s, 170 something horsepower, 6-cylinder DAF, installed on a 22 metre Luxe motor barge, and she really is just stone cold. We'll start her up from cold and see how let's see how she starts. Now you can see there we've got a Whisper 8 kVA genuine. Oh. Well, as I was saying, in a cocoon. Now that went off nicely. Up the steps into a huge aft cockpit. Let's go take a look at the exhaust. It's a dry exhaust. That's I can't see any smoke at all there. Donc DAF 1160 272 chevaux, échappement sec, keel cooling. She's keel cooled. Let's go and see inside, have a little walk through. Now, as I mentioned, huge aft terrace, ce grand plage arrière bien protégé. Énorme. Timonerie, wheelhouse saloon, almost 2 meters of headroom here. Central heating, oil-fired central, diesel-fired central heating to radiators. Hope you won't be needing the diving gear while you're cruising. Really excellent visibility, as I say, almost 2 meters of headroom. Let's just spin around. Wood, warm wood, huge windows, nice and deep, so good visibility, very bright, and that wood theme down to the floors as well. Let's make our way forward. Lower saloon with galley, all electric this boat. So you've got induction hob, dishwasher, oven, really nice, bright, modern. And there is 2 meters of headroom here. Again, the theme of big windows, lots of visibility. Bright and airy, but as you may have noticed upstairs, it's got the light wood panels. Now here we're onto a much brighter, lighter theme. Donc tout électrique, la cuisine, plaque à induction. Ici le salle de bain, et c'est vraiment un salle de bain. C'est même jacuzzi. Jacuzzi bath, 3,000 litres of water. So you don't have to worry too much about that and the domestic type heads. Tiled. Now this boat, it's a Luxe motor originally from 1911, donc construction 1911. But the now that bed is 2 meters long by 1.7 wide. Huge bed, more radiators, reverse cycle air conditioning. Donc clim réversible, chauffage par radiateur, buanderie, l'espace buanderie là. Les hublots qui s'ouvrent. Let's just have a look over the whole thing. Voilà. If you'd like any more information, I'm Graham from Boatshed, Bourgogne. All my contact information is on this page and I'd be very happy to hear from you. Donc n'hésitez pas à me contacter, toutes mes coordonnées figurent sur cette page d'information. Je me ferai un plaisir de répondre à vos questions.